All right. All right, welcome to Color Factory Kids, where we believe that drawing should be fun and it should be easy. And if you go on this journey with us today, by the time we're done, you're going to be able to draw your very own dolphin. And with a simple shape of a circle, we're going to start with the basic shape of a circle. Then we're going to add a few lines and shapes. And then we're going to... We have a song, lines, circles, and squares. How does that go, Remy?
Lines, circles, and squares.
You can draw anything.
With lines, circles, and squares.
I love it. So here's what we do. I always start my drawings with a top and a bottom because I want to make sure to do that. The basic shape of this dolphin is going to be a big circle. So Remy, let's draw a big circle here. Oh, you're drawing a tiny one. So I'd like to use my whole paper because...
You're going to do it all the way to the bottom?
So that's my basic shape. And now when you look at the dolphin, you notice the dolphin has,
a hole.
Just like a fish, any other fish, but it has this. So it kind of looks like a big water drop. And I think they're made that on purpose so they can swim fast. So then we put the tail, and on the tail, it kind of looks like a mustache as well. So we have a quick shape of the tail. And again, right now, we're just kind of lining it out so we can take all the time that we want to pay attention to the detail. But if you look at already, we already have the basic shape of the dolphin. And now we get to take some time and add the fun stuff to make this dolphin cute. Remy loves to draw things with big, beautiful eyes. So we found a dolphin that has just a ginormous, beautiful, cute eyes.
I'm going to do it the same.
And she's going to do it the same way. So let me show you something really quick, Remy. How do we find the middle of the head? Once we do a line like this, we know that this is where one eye goes.
There.
And here's where the other eye goes.
Yours is...
So now we have the dolphin. And this dolphin has a nose. I don't know what it's called. I'll find a proper name for it, but I call it the nose. So we have a nose here on the dolphin. And then it has these fins over here. And I've been out in the ocean one time. We were out snorkeling and we saw some dolphins. And first we got scared because we thought there were sharks.
I did.
But they said if you look at the fin is a lot rounder. So it's not like the shark. The shark, you can tell when it's a shark. But when you're in the water and you see that, it makes you pay attention really quick, doesn't it, Remy? So here we got the basics idea.
Dolphins can't talk.
They can't talk?
No.
They can't. So they're not going to say, hey, excuse me, you're in my water.
They'll just push you out.
They'll push you out. They do that. They like to play also with their nose. They like to bump you. All right, so I've got my basic shape. Do you have your basic? Yours is small and cute, but you did the shape just right. Good job.
If you just see the fin on top, then you might think it's a shark.
It's a shark. How does a shark do it? All right, so if you look at our drawings, Remy's is really cute. I love because she drew it kind of small and compact, but she has the basic shape down. She started with a circle, then she kind of just added the body and put the tail and the fin. So we have this here. So now that we have this part down, what do we do now, Remy?
Now the hole.
He's got to breathe. So we have to add the
hole.
The hole. Is it called a spout or what is it? I'll have somebody tell me the proper name. I don't know these proper names. I'm a colorer. I'm not that smart of a guy. A couple of years ago, I think Remy was a little smaller. We went to the ocean and we went on this dolphin ride, and the guy told us a lot about the dolphins because they like to jump in front of the ship. They like to go in front of the ships, and they jump in and out of the water. But they also they have this sound that they throw out. Did you know? Kind of like that. They throw it out, and then when it hits something and bounces back, they know how far they are from that sound based on how long it took that sound to get back. Do you remember that trip, Remy, when we went to see those dolphins?
Yeah.
That was fun. I thought you were going to jump out of the boat because you were so excited. All right, so now we're going to take some time. We're going to actually go to marker, erase it, and then add the color to it. But when we get back, we'll kind of walk you through on what we did. And if you get we get too fast ahead of you, pause it, come back and listen to what I said again, and then go back and catch up to us. That's a cool thing about these videos is you can pause and go back. I learned how to draw mainly by going up to the library and looking at books and seeing how they did these things. But now this is a fun part about video is we can teach you. And if you have questions, feel free to ask us. So Remy, you ready to put some marker to it?
I'm putting this kind.
You're putting that kind? Okay, I'm gonna put this kind. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. I'm gonna add this cool, I like this cool color. We are pretty much done here. If you notice, Remy told a story with hers. Her dolphin is actually underwater and it has the echo sound. So she took
by the sand.
Oh, by the sand. So I just did mine up here. So
on the water.
Ooh, it's blending in so the sharks can't get them. Real quick, Remy, would you rather be able to swim as fast as a dolphin or play with a dolphin all day?
Play with the dolphin all day.
What would you play with him? Would you bring a ball to the pool and play with him?
Yes.
Because you're like a dolphin. You always want to be in the pool, so you'll probably be just like a dolphin in the pool all day.
And I love to play ball.
You like to play ball and you love to play in the pool. So there's two great things. So you're probably a dolphin. You think so? Maybe you're half dolphin. So thanks again for following us. We have seen you guys, how many people are following us. We're so excited that you guys are following us on this journey. And Remy, let's tell our friends.
Subscribe over here for the next channel.
The next channel. Thank you guys so much. Be kind to each other and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye. You're so awesome, Remy.